Hey, so today I just wanted to give you a few quick tips on how to create an auto plane. So I have to be honest, this is not one of my favorite features. It hasn't been in the past, but there's been a lot of improvements to it, especially now in version 2018 R1. Okay, so let's go ahead and launch the auto plane. So here's our auto features toolbar. There's the auto plane dialog. So this is one way to do it. I can open the dialog and click on any plane. And you can see it's a predetermined pattern, which sometimes might be okay, sometimes might not be. Over here we have the option to change the measurement strategy to, say, a freeform plane. We can change the type to user defined, and this is one of my favorites, just clicking on the path here. So that's great, but it's still a lot of clicking, a lot of selections inside the dialog box. So I'm going to show you an easier way using quick features. It's actually using a new feature in 2018 R1 called quick set control. So I'll show you how it works. So let's say we had a drawing like this here, where you can see our datum C plane is a continuous feature, has that CF designation, which means on our part, all four of those surfaces are considered as one feature, one continuous feature. So I want to probe it as such. So a couple ways to do that. Using quick features, I can hold down the shift key, and just so you can see it's turning yellow, so I'll click and hold with my mouse and just keep dragging until each surface turns yellow, and then release, and there's my plane. So the trouble with that is we don't know what measurement routine it's choosing there. So I could edit that feature and have a look. You can see it's actually not what I want, and it's just showing it up in that bottom right hand corner. So I'm going to cancel that, delete the feature, and do this a different way. So now in 2018 what we can do is use what's called the quick set controls. Hold the shift key down and double click the plane instead of single click, and it opens up the quick set feature. So this is my favorite new feature in 2018 R1. Lots of stuff we can do. So you can see this little black box up here gives us the option to name the feature now. You can call it datum plane C. And the other thing we can do is select our measurement strategy. So you saw that earlier in the dialog. So I'm going to use the touch trigger user defined. So that way I can just simply click on my plane. Anyways, you can see how that works. So we have a lot of freedom here with this new quick set feature. So there's my plane, and I haven't created it yet, and as soon as I hit the apply button, it will create my plane. I can apply the same technique to the front plane. Hold down the shift key, double click when you see the plane highlighted, and just change the measurement strategy. So there we go. So I'll use touch trigger user defined. Again, then I can just quickly pick my points, hit the green check mark, and there's my plane. There you go. So just a quick tip on auto plane and the new feature in 2018 R1, the quick set controls. Well, I hope you found that useful. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.